Now frequency polygon. Frequency polygon is a graph constructed by using lines to join the midpoints of each interval. The midpoints of each intervals or bins. The height of points represents the frequencies. Okay. Now we are going to represent this data in this frequency polygon, right? So number of candidate 20 within range 10 to 10, 0 to 10 age group. Then 10 to 20 age group we have 10 students here, and within 20 to 30 we have 45 students here. So this data we are going to represent in frequency polygon. So first of all we will import the very necessary file, which is matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Next, to save data in list. Now we have saved data in a list, and this is number of candidate corresponding to data. Now this interval or bin we have to create. So depending upon these values we have created the bins. 0 to for 5 we have taken 0 to 10, 10 to 20 for 15, and similarly we have taken the ranges. Now we will call function hist, which is responsible for creating histogram, but we are creating frequency polygon, so it is only created with the help of hist function. Within hist function we can write here hist type is equal to step. It will convert this histogram into frequency polygon. So in this function we will pass data bin in the form of interval, weight in the form of number of candidate, age color is equal to red, and hist type equal to step to make histogram into frequency polygon. Similarly, we can give label to x-axis and y-axis respectively, and last to call the function show. Now it's time to check the code. So in this way we have created this frequency polygon as per our requirement. Suppose we are changing here 55 to 45. Now see what will be the impact. Now see the first difference, there is no value between 50 to 60 because data is not available for 50 to 60. And now for 40 to 50 we have two values 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 14. So you can see here for 40 to 50 we have now change value 14. So this is the importance of data values and interval. Thank you.